All right, welcome back to another episode of myself, Luke. So I hope you're having a fantastic day. So yes, as you've just seen, Mr. Trump has just won the presidency, and I mean we're not going to go into politics, but it's just had a major impact over the past 24 hours in terms of the Bitcoin price. We're going to jump into this in just a second. So I mean, I mentioned this on Monday. I didn't come out with a video yesterday. I just wanted, the elections for the dust to settle, and for us to come out of the other side to look at the Bitcoin price and where we're heading in the short term, but also in the long run. I mean, it's absolutely massive what was going on yesterday over in the States, and we've seen right across the markets, especially in the world of crypto. In just today, I mean, everything is in the green. I can't see any red on the board. And for the week, there's a few things that are still behind, of course. But for the day, over the past 24 hours, it's been absolutely phenomenal in the crypto space. So yes, again, I don't go into politics on my channel, but it is driving the market at this moment. So if you're invested in any of these altcoins, then I'm telling you now, we're probably going to have some massive parabolic moves over the next 3 to 6 months. And if you're new to crypto, well, just hold on for the ride. And if you're not new to crypto, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Altcoins are going to pop. Altcoin season is just around the corner. The Bitcoin dominance is still pretty high because Bitcoin is pumping, and so the rest of the space is pumping. But as soon as Bitcoin reaches it's reached an all-time high right now. We've passed the all-time high, but we're probably going to that six-figure, which I've been talking about so many times on my channel over the past year. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead, subscribe, smash up the like button, leave any comments in the section below. I really appreciate that as well, for me to get bigger on YouTube and to improve this channel. I need your help and support. So yes, I mean, the US elections we can clearly see the fear and greed index, 62%. Bitcoin's exploded. I mean, Bitcoin did a 5K, where is it? We've gone up 8.25%. I mean, this morning I looked, we were up, $5,000. I am currently in a trade right now, just a small 5x leverage, and I'm up 34%. So I put this trade in yesterday around the 69,000. We did dump slightly, but I mean, very, very small trade right now with a 34% position, well, a 5x position, and I'm 34% in the profits right now. So I'm keeping this trade open. I do expect us to move a lot, to go a lot higher in terms of this bull flag. So the bull flag is now really in play. We're halfway through it, and now with the US elections finished, was it a buy the rumor, sell the news? I mean, Bitcoin does what it wants. We could have a pullback. I'm not saying we're out of the woods just yet. Got to see what happens, let the dust settle. But I jumped in around this position. I'm up 34%. It was quite a risky move, but no risk, no reward. So right now, we are on our way. Probably, I reckon, we're going to smash this bull flag of 83,000 US dollars, probably this week or the next coming week. And then we're going to start heading towards that six-figure, that $100,000 Bitcoin. So if we just go over to CoinMarketCap, we're going to look at TradingView. Let me just load this up. So I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. If we just go to the all-time, I mean, we've clearly gone above the all-time high. It's insane. So what will happen now, most likely, is we explode to 100,000 by the end of this year. It's just, again, what I say is not financial advice. It's just my opinion. Been in the market 7 years. I've seen the last 2 bull runs and how fast things can move in Bitcoin and in crypto. And trust me, if the cycles repeat, which right now it looks like it's going to, you're going to be blown away. So if we just take the technicals, let me jump into TradingView. You have to be quick because now you have to subscribe to this thing. But you've probably seen a huge pattern. So we have this huge cup and handle pattern. So we have this cup here, and now we have this handle, and the handle has been broken. And so to measure this, we just go from the bottom of the cup to the top of the cup, and we just take this measurement, we put it on the breakout, and the breakout is around this price here. So yeah, we're looking at 120. I mean, I've put my estimation up here at 120,000, but you can clearly see, I mean, it's not the best drawing I've ever done. It's terrible. Let's go across. So we've got this cup. We've got the handle. Let me just zoom in. So I'm on the weekly, aren't I? So we've broken out. And yeah, I mean, it sits perfectly at that 120,000. So you can clearly see, let me just zoom out so you can see cup, handle, the top of the cup. Let me just refresh the page. I have to be quick because now you have to subscribe to this thing. Did it save? Well, anyway, so hopefully it saved. Yeah, it did save. Fantastic. So yeah, and we've got the breakout of the handle. So it's a clear breakout. If you're trading this, just be careful. I mean, around this period, we're going to let the dust settle. Jumping into a trade now, again, not financial advice. You've got to do your own research, but we could explode to the upside really fast. And this would be a massive, if this thing goes all the way up, it's 66% to 120,000 from where we are now. Well, it'll be about 60% from where we are now, but from that breakout, a nice 66 to 70%. If you're using leverage, if you're doing 10x, then you can make a nice 660, almost 700% gain with a 10x leverage. If you're using leverage, be careful. Again, you can go short, you can go long. You've got my Bitflex Bybit in the description below. The links are there, but just be careful if you're trading, especially around this period. But this is an absolute epic trade, I think, which could happen. And yeah, let's wait and find out. So first of all, the short term is here at 83,000 to basically fulfill this bull flag. And then we can start talking about that 120,000 US dollar level. I'm going to change this to a nice golden Bitcoin color because I do believe we are heading very soon to our six-figure $120,000 Bitcoin. So when that happens, it's going to have a massive effect on the rest of the altcoins. I'm talking about 10, some of these coins 20x, 50x, mid cap, micro cap, 100x. If you don't believe me now, you will believe me within the next 3 to 6 months, because an altcoin season we're going to have like we've never had before. So let's just let the dust settle once and for all on the US elections and see where we head over the next couple of weeks with Bitcoin. But I'm very excited. I think you should be as well. I'm going to go into gaming and into AI. I am buying up more gaming tokens right now because I believe we're on the cusp of a massive altcoin season. We're having an altcoin rally right now, but we will only have an altcoin season when the Bitcoin dominance completely collapses from, I think it's at like 60%. Let's have a look. Let's just get the Bitcoin dominance up. Have we tumbled down to 57, 58%? Let's check this out together. So no, we're still sky high. We're still at 60% at the Bitcoin dominance, and we keep heading up. So this can only go up for so long, but I'm telling you now, as soon as we have something like this here, let me just color that in. If we have something like that, where we come back down below the 40%, even if we just touch the 40%, we are going to see an epic altcoin season. So just keep doing what you're doing. Have a plan. Make sure you don't get greedy. Stick to your plan, and you're going to make some nice, beautiful gains over the next 6 months. So that's pretty much it for today. Thanks, guys and girls, for sticking to the end. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.